Hello, programming engineers. Welcome back once more to this drives course. We're going to continue with our project. We're going to we're going to chart. But how are we going to do this? Here, we're selecting our PowerFlex system, and we need to add this to our project. And then, afterwards, in this trends part, or this trends file, we're going to add a new chart. Something pretty amazing that this software has. Now, what's next? We're going to select our PowerFlex. We're going to select all parameters here on this side. And here we're going to select, let's say, our parameters that we wish to chart. So generally, if these are charts, they're going to be variable. So let's add these three variables. And in our sampling part, we're going to increase for our sample rate by our time. We're going to change it over, switch it up in samples, and we're going to send it over to 6,000. Now, on our trigger part, we're going to leave this the same, basically. It's going to be manual, close, and everything is ready now. So we need to click on play here. Now, we're going to start moving our drive. And here we have in our graph all about our parameters. Okay? So this is so we can diagnose if our device is working correctly. Now here we have our comparisons, our commanded frequency, and here it's running a slight movement of going back and forward for our output current, as well as for my bus voltage, and basically start playing around with our graphs. Now, careful though, it's also helping us to run tuning, okay? If we wish to tune our variator for position, for a larger torque, or even for more velocity, then we can start watching our variables for our graph. And little by little adjust our gains manually. So this way, it's going to be set up for a more advanced and for more calculated numbers. So basically, this is the trends part, or for our graphs. Use these as best suits you. Okay, so that's why this particularity for our CCW software is very extensive. So we can run many things within our software much easier or more easily with our Ethernet cable. Okay? So having said this, guys, we're going to move on to our next video.